Hello students, today we are going to see the first exercise in lesson number 5. Okay. Mettez le verbe au substantif. Put the verbs in subjunctive. See the example. Je veux Devi inviter ses cousins. I wish Devi to invite her cousins. First part, we should make it into an expression. Expression should end with que, Q-U-E. Je veux que. Devi is the subject. Inviter verb is in infinitive form. That verb you have to conjugate after the subject. Verb conjugated in subjunctive. I hope you remember when you want to know when to use the subjunctive. So I already told in previous video where you have to use the subjunctive verb. So that you just refer. After that you see this exercise. How to conjugate the subjunctive tense I explained there. Okay. So when the sentence start with expressions which or desire, after that we have to find the verb. That verb should be in subjunctive. So sentence start with the expressions is I wish that Devi might invite her cousins. So invite is in infinitive form. When the verb is infinitive form is either I or er or re. Why this verb invite is conjugated in subjunctive? Because it is placed after the expressions wish. So now see the first sentence. I preferred. That is expressions. Papa. Okay. Swasir is the verb. After the expressions preference, swashi should be in subjunctive tense. Le plus. So, je prépare que. Verb wish. Je prepare. I prepared wish. Que. I prefer that Papa dash le plot. That is cake. After the expressions, we are talking about the swashir. The swashir should be a substantive. So, find the stem. For substantive is the infinitive form. It is ending in IR. And that rules you have to apply. Find the stem. And here Papa is the subject. That also you remember. Okay. So present tense conjugation of IR verb is a plural form. You have to take it. CHOISSENT. There you remove ENT and according to the subject here add either. Subject is Papa. It is masculine. Illa. So you have to add E at the ending. Okay. Subjective is the masculine singular. So you must write the first part and then ka and then papa. After checking the subject, you have to conjugate the next verb in subjunctive. That is the rule here. Okay. I prefer that my dad might choose the cake. Il est nécessaire, Radha Esona, achete les boissons. It is necessary that. So, il est nécessaire que you can write. And then Radha Esona, it is the subject plural form. And achete is the verb. That achete is in infinitive form. So, you can see here that substantive form you have to write achete. That ACHE ACRA T is the stem, and according to the subject Radha and Sona is this, it is in plural form because two persons are there. So you have to add ent the ending. Okay. Il est nécessaire que Radha et Sona achètent les boissons. So it is necessary that Radha and Sona to buy the drinks. Third one, il faut tu passer quelque to the fee. It is necessary that you must take some make. So il faut que, you have to add que, and tu, you. After the expressions is the verb is passer. So passer is in subjunctive. PASSE is the same as PASS, and according to the subject, tu is the subject, you have to add ES. And remaining kalka cup, the feel, you can write as it is. Fourth one, il est essentiel vous venir à l'heure. It is important that you has to come in time. So the expression il est essential que, verb vous, and venir you have to conjugate in subjunctive. So you can conjugate. It is in infinitive form. You can find the stem and then write in subjunctive form. So infinitive form you have to remove IR and you will get the stem VEN, and vous is the subject. Ending is IEZ. So venir you must concentrate, and prendre verb also you must concentrate. Okay. You can't go with the general rule ILS or so you must concentrate that venir and prendre. Two verb is very very important to conjugate this. Okay. So stem you have to identify carefully for venir and prendre. So when your conjugations practiced, you can practice it properly. Okay. And stem will be identified. So present tense ILS you must can change it as a stem. I said in the rule, that rule you just see here. After that you will go through this video, then only it is easy for you to conjugate on your own. Otherwise it is very very difficult. Okay. So here subject is VOUS. So ending a IEZ. That ending you must remember. Okay. It is important that you might come on time. Fifth one, je veux, with the word que, that it become expressions. Nous terminions la fête à 5 heures. I wish we must end the party at 5 o'clock. So, je veux que. After the expressions, you have verb termine. Termine is the infinitive form, and here nous is the subject, and ending is IONS. So termine, ending, you must check it properly. Okay. So like this you can find the things, but very very important, you must write the conjugation in your own. That is very very important. Practice the conjugation, afterwards you go through the exercise. Thank you.